I not come to tell me say I really catch this. I really catch am. So you go fit that say I try convince you. I don't need to show a receipt. If I get HIV, you go ask me whether I show a receipt. No. Do you know what the P stands for, Mr. P? It's not Peter. It's not even P square. Do you know what the P stands for, Mr. P? It's not Peter. It's not even P square.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so any video we drop, you have it in your notification feed, guys. So Mr. P, Peter Okoye, has tons of fans, almost 9 million followers on Instagram, but sadly, almost all of them, or more than 90% of them, do not know the meaning of the name Mr. P.
Do you know what that means? Can you break a broken bottle, bro? You know what a broken bottle is? I hope bottle of Hennessy, collect and smash am for ground. See the time say I go, you come back and you can say, if you talk again, I go smash am for ground. Really? Nigga, I've been broken before.
A lot of people think that Mr. P means Mr. Peter or Mr. P square or I don't know, whatever. But he has come out to reveal the true meaning of his name. And believe you me, a lot of you don't know. If you want to find out, stay tuned and let's go.
Hello. Please click the red subscribe button below this video to get our latest video updates. And then click on the bell icon to get notified each time we create something new. Thank you. Naija Celeb TV.
I pick up the pieces and move. Right? You can't break me anymore. Now this is what I'm trying to say. Freeze. Now freeze. You hear a celebrity, actor, musician, comedian. Oh my God.
Okay, guys, he made this known that his name, Mr. P, that the P there actually stands for prodigal. And this time it is not actually the prodigal son. For you people that are saying that he's the one that scattered P square, it doesn't mean prodigal son. Rather, the word prodigal, if you check it on the internet, means what? He who spends extravagantly, he who spends lavishly.
It might be P square if you think so, because I still deserve that name. But let me tell you who they. You see, they go remove this part, they go put that. The P. Mr. Prodigal. Alright, my case, adios. Yeah, I got you, homie.
He made it known in an interview in a live Instagram session with Daddy Freeze when he stated that God has actually blessed him and now he spends lavishly. But Mr. P, please don't spend too lavishly, bro, so you continue remaining at the top.
This is my crib. Back at brag. Call it bragging. This is my crib. See my mopo. See my ADC here. Here. This is my one out of the 4 houses I have in Lagos. Call it bragging. Una go suffer. Let me talk like Burna Boy now. Children, they hear. No, they hear what? You see, for the first say, for the first say, Nigeria don't.
He actually made known how disappointed he is that several Nigerians, tons of millions of Nigerians who thought that he was clout chasing by the video he did about the health status of himself and his family.
See, what did happen to us? The government don't study us. No say bad, we too mumu. My brother.
They go.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you
God.
so much.
My brother.
Save life.
I'm heading back to work. Make a brag again. I'm working on my album. And
Over the last couple of weeks, based on being diagnosed by the disease that is all over the place right now. I don't want to mention the name so YouTube does not censor this video or demonetize it. But all the same, Mr. P came out and he made a post on his. He went live on Instagram to tell people that he has been sick over the past 3 weeks and that
more poverty will hit this land. Not just here, the whole world.
This year go rugged, oh.
Bro, you see, I'm not gonna see. I'm not gonna feel forced now. They say, if you take horse, go river first and to drink water. So I know they try to convince you now. But they tell you now, say, the main reason why I decided to call this is, say, some people call me, say, cloud chaser. I don't know what to do with the cloud where they chase, where I don't get. They say that because of, see, I don't want name. Do you know, I can tell you that 35–40% of my colleagues, they knew. Huh? They knew. For most of them, we don't call me. Say, guy, I found. Are they are just, normally now, are they your area? You down? I said, no. I don't fit chase them. I'll tell them, say, oh, must switch up, keep on down low. So it's not me. I know, see, this, you see, when you call me for this interview, what did I tell you? I not come to tell me, say, I really catch this. I really catch them. So you go fit that say I try convince you now. I don't need to show on a receipt. If I get HIV, you go ask me whether I show on a receipt. No. That's why they say, it's like I give my wife belly, she don't want to say you want the DNA, don't fire your mama. Show me, may your mama send me the one with carry boy.
That his family, his wife, the daughter, and two of his domestic staff also had the same issue, the same problem. But right now that he has fully recovered and is well and doing okay, then he made it known that if up to 1,000 people can believe him and take precaution, then he's happy that he has saved lives. He also stated in the video that he's done with his album and he's about to release it. No long talks on this one, guys. I've played part of the video for you, so I would like to play the whole clip for you right now. So you enjoy the clip to the end. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this one. If you didn't, smash the dislike button twice and tell us why in the comment section. Thanks for always being here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for viewing. And see you in the next video. Peace out.
When other celebrities they come on say they get them, it was okay. My brother, don't get me wrong, bro. Let's just say out of hundreds of millions of people are known for this world. Now 1,000 they convinced. I believe I'm saving a life.
Yep.
I believe. You need to see call Don Flex. Call Don Flex. The only person don't panic. Why not say in panic? Flex they call me like every 5 hours for like 3 days. Don't get me wrong, go. As of 10 days, I wasn't throwing up, all those whatever symptoms, everything don't they reduce. They tested me up after 2 weeks. I was still positive. Yeah, tested me because the doctor came. That was when they came to test Lola. Lola have already caught it. So when they test, I said they should come and test me. I beg. They asked me if I have symptoms. Of course, I go say I not get. But meanwhile, I still get small. So I go feel say no, I go feel handle now. They said me and he was still, and I stayed. And I stayed another 1 week in that room. So it's go ahead, say whatever you want to say. It's me and my family that are more important here. I think I'm trying to convince you. Remember, you need to see on Saturday before I told you people, my wife was playing gospel music, was just dancing throughout because it was on Friday night. Stroke Saturday, Monday. I was actually in the studio. So even after then, my wife came and like, what did that? I said,
Maybe not malaria.
I bet ma ask you one simple question. She na malaria. Now you catch the malaria. She na malaria. In 5 days, 5 people were come catch my. She malaria not be mosquito. So that the same mosquito as he bite me, I send the mosquito to call and tell the mosquito, go and bite my wife. He bite my wife. Say, mosquito, bite my. Not they mad. After what you don't go through, I know they tried. Hey, I'm not trying to convince anybody.
Check out my studio, bro. Have you seen a studio like this before? Fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. I'm here doing my album. Yes, stop. Let me give you guys something. My album would have been out next month. I would have submitted the end of this month, which is like by today or tomorrow. But this fucking shit delayed it. So say whatever. Hey, somebody say you're a big boy. No, I'm not a big boy. I'm a bigger fucking boy. I'm a fucking man with grace. All right, P-Square. Thank you,
bro. I'll be legit. And again, listen. My money is legit, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Send them over.
Robin.
My money is legit, bro.
Robin.
See, first of all, let me thank the people. Where they tell me, man, Peter, I love you, you're so straight. Let me be honest with you guys. I'm not angry. And at the same time, let me tell you guys one thing. I've always prayed for the same God will bless Mr. P. Make it bless you now too. When he touch you with this blessing, you go find out some things don't matter. See, I said, see, name 5 artists where they help people. You go name Davido, name Don Jazzy, you go name me. I feel they help people for this our country. If you die in the vessel, I go stop. Now me and my family. You say who I help? That money, me and my family go the chopper. I go use and fly abroad, fly private jet, go one of these places, go to enjoy myself. But you know the truth, I still care. Don't get me wrong, I still care about the people. But don't take because of hatred they do some things. Freeze, you know I love you, bro. I love you, man. You know I love you, bro. Maybe today we start to, yeah. See, before this video will go viral, please make sure you add this part. Mr. P's album is coming soon. Prodigal. So if they not put this part, Thunder go fire you. Every media person will carry this part. We carry this video, not put this video. Say Peter Prodigal album is coming out very soon, less than 2 months or 3 months from now. If they don't put this part, they Thunder fire him. I need to advertise my market. Market must sell. Fuck that shit. And anybody that, let me and last one. And anybody that has supported Mr. P, from time to the same God will bless me, God bless you now. I just tell you now. I know the hungry again. This album, I feel do on my share for free. I don't need the money. God don't bless me. I have one song called I'm Blessed. Church go play the song. I'm the fucking prodigal, man. I didn't say prodigal son, no. I'm not a prodigal son. I'm the prodigal. Go and read what a prodigal. Don't remove the son. Google what a prodigal is. A prodigal is someone who don't be successful. If in they spend, they look back. Yeah. And he's a very generous person. That's a prodigal.